I think one of my favorite Oxy resources is the International Programs Office. They really supported my application to go abroad. I went to Tokyo, Japan last semester. They were super supportive of the whole process of applying and figuring out the financial aspects of it. They told me about this outside scholarship, which I applied and got.
My favorite Oxy resource is the textbook reserve system. In the library, they have a bunch of textbooks that you can borrow for free, and I use that almost every day. Research has been a huge part of my Oxy experience, and the URC has made a lot of that possible. They funded my research project after my sophomore year, so I got to stay on campus for the summer, and then when that project got published, they flew me out to a conference in Atlanta the next year. They have like all kinds of connections to different publications and opportunities off campus for research too.
Last year I definitely learned to take my papers to the Writing Center. That was super helpful. I just have like someone read it over before I turn it in, and then I'm not the only one that's read it because sometimes I'm like in a manic state when I'm writing my papers. So that's really helpful.
Something I would definitely recommend to the prospective students who perhaps didn't have the chance, unfortunately, to visit campus is definitely reach out to our current students. So we're happy to like help and really elaborate on like different experiences on campus. Definitely make use of those resources if you can.